One of the requirements to apply for the Marin Wildfire Resident Risk Reduction Grant Program is a full evaluation. This is different from a street or partial inspection or evaluation, which will happen if the evaluators come at a time that you are not home. In order to prevent this from happening and ensure you will receive a full evaluation and be able to access the grant program, even if you are not home when the inspectors come by, you can sign a right of entry form through your wildfire risk report. To start this process, go to defensiblespacereport.org. Log in if you've already created an account, and if not, enter in your 6-digit access code from your last evaluation, as well as your property address, and then I recommend you create an account so that you can expedite this process in the future. This is also a requirement to apply for a grant. More on that in another video. Now that I'm logged in, which I can tell because my name is up in the top right corner, I'm going to click on my address. That's going to take me to my wildfire risk report. If you need a refresher on the hazards listed on your property, documented by the inspectors during your last evaluation, click through and read through the helpful information on these pages. If you're already up to speed on all the recommendations made by the inspectors during your last evaluation, go straight to right of entry, read through the information, and complete the process per the instructions. You can set the time frame that the right of entry form will be valid. So if you're not sure when the inspectors are going to come by for the evaluation, I recommend putting in a custom date, giving yourself ample time. Check these boxes. If you have dogs, please indicate that here. And if those dogs are aggressive, we'll reach out and ensure that the dogs are put away on the day that the inspectors are scheduled to be in your neighborhood. If there's any special instructions like shared driveway, gate access code, put those here. Review the terms and conditions, hit accept, and sign the form simply by typing your first and last name in this box. Click confirm permissions, and if you'd like, check the box that says email me a copy. By completing these steps, you will ensure that you can access the grant program because you will receive a full evaluation even if you are not home when the inspectors come by. If you have any questions about how to apply for a grant, you can watch one of the other videos in the playlist on our YouTube channel titled Resident Grant Tutorials. These videos are also linked on the Grants tab. Thank you for taking action to reduce risk of wildfire to your life, your home, and your community.